Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta was a rare unsung Gandhian freedom fighter and hero for Indian independence from the British. Imprisoned 4 times and badly beaten on the head during Dandi Kuch. I never sold or served Mother India for rewards. Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta refused any pension. After India gained independence, those who had worked for him became ministers, started wearing starched white khadi clothes, became businessmen, and began claiming to be freedom fighters. From his teenage years to the end of his life, he lived for the freedom of India, devotion to Bharat Mata, and walking the Gandhian path. He never thought beyond those three divine mindsets. He refused any pension after India's independence and spent the rest of his life representing helpless people to seek justice, especially those put in homeless situations. But he never bowed to money or compromised his principles for comfort. Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta. From my own experience with my uncle, Moolshankar was the last eternal Gandhian spirit. I am trying to keep him alive by highlighting his disappearing auras to inspire younger generations about what Mahatma Gandhi was and the impact he had on young and older adults. Millions were brilliant minds, powerful, rich and poor, yet all sacrificed lives and dreams to a man called Mahatma Gandhi, who held nothing but a stick in his hand and stood on the truth and morals. With the slogan Satya Me Jayante and Vande Mataram. This may be the only website in the world where you will see more documents, proof and evidence, and very little or no subjective or creative writing, because our documents speak for themselves. After India's independence, he worked to serve the underprivileged and unspoken people for the rest of his life. Note: we could have quickly hired a book writer, a film producer, or a journalist to create more drama with lots of publicity. But this is not in our background. And it is never needed because every document speaks for itself with a few lines. It is a matter of your sense, logic, and judgment. We don't want our golden truth to be polluted. Mahatma Gandhi's letter on Moolshankar advises on marrying or not. Also, respect the parents' wishes first. Mahatma Gandhi's letter on Moolshankar, guiding Moolshankar to marry or not attached. Documents and photos will quickly give an accurate picture of Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta of Jaipur. Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta was born in 1908 to his youth. His father, Nautamlal Bhagavanji Mehta, was involved in freedom of India. www.nautamlalmehta.com. During school and college, he always wore a khadi. He was very independent and only needed to work under someone's leadership or support. Throughout life, he maintained a Gandhian mindset and worked within his communities, city and region. His work benefited thousands of people, although it remained unknown to the media. Please find me a person like Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta, who had all the options of serving Mahatma Gandhi's non-violent movement for the freedom of India from the British. At the same time, he could have worked for his father's business or for a corporation. Thousands of people did it that way. They served the nation simultaneously while staying in the money-making business. When India became independent, it was recognized more and received more credit, and the media and roads were named after it. The natural candlewood of freedom fire burned, forgotten, and turned into ashes. Moolshankar had to live the rest of his life in austerity and a compromised lifestyle. There could be thousands of great patriots like Moolshankar. But all of the real Gandhian patriots and nationalists aim not to benefit or get any name or fame. They were born to build a new free India. He never took advantage of his strong family connections. He never took any pension from the state or federal government. Although he went to more than 4 times, he was in Dandi Kuch. If you have seen Richard Attenborough's Gandhi film, in that film, one scene where you see freedom fighters under Mahatma's non-violent action getting hit on their head out of 59 injured freedom fighter, he was one of them, as per my mother. He had to stay in hospital in Mumbai later. He dedicated his entire life to the struggle for freedom. After India gained independence, he continued to live among the underprivileged people. His work was known in Ahmedabad's Khadia from 1942 to 1962 and in the small town of Vankanar in Saurashtra from 1962 to 1993. Born into a wealthy family, he graduated from Fergusson College, Pune. Instead of joining his father's business or working for a corporation, he chose to serve his mother, India. He never took advantage of his strong family connections. He never took any pension from the state or federal government. Although he went to more than 4 times, he was in Dandi Kuch. If you have seen Richard Attenborough's Gandhi film, in that film, one scene where you see freedom fighters under Mahatma's non-violent action getting hit on their head out of 59 injured freedom fighter. He was one of them. As per my mother, he had to stay in hospital in Mumbai. Later, in Richard Attenborough's Gandhi, the audacious Dandi March gets a fitting tribute. One of the most powerful sequences in the 1982 biopic is based on the reportage of American journalist Webb Miller. Scroll. In Richard Attenborough's Gandhi, the audacious Dandi March gets a fitting tribute. http://scroll.in /reel 871740. In Richard Attenborough's Gandhi, the audacious Dandi March gets a fitting tribute. Below is the signatures diary of all great freedom fighters, which belongs to Moolshankar Nautamlal Mehta. When he was young, he created. Somehow, it last ended in the hands of Narendra Bhai Kantilal Bhai, Choksi Moolshankar's nephew. Narendra Bhai sent it to me to upload here. Moolshankar, Mahatma's letter on Moolshankar, advises him whether to get married or not. Mahatma shared his views on whether Moolshankar should join his father's business or do the Desh Seva. Moolshankar's sister Manjula Mahatma Gandhi used to say that Manjula was his favorite daughter. Manjula, Mahatma Gandhi and Mahadev Desai Mahatma's Gandhi's handwritten notes in Gujarato to Moolshankar on Moolshankar's sister Manjula, very rare photo of Nautamlal B. Mehta's daughter Manujula with Mahatma Gandhi and Mahadev Bhai Desai. When my uncle Moolshankar met Mahatma Gandhi ji, Mahatma ji wrote this note in Moolshankar's diary about his sister Manjula. Below is Mahatma's message written to Moolshankar on his sister Manjula M. Mehta, daughter-in-law of Dr. P.J. Mehta, in English translated. Manjulan barobar olakhun chun, અને તેને દીકરીને જેમ મરૂન માનહરી લીધું છે. એવા જો તમે હો, ના હો તો થના જેવા બનોને રહો. બાપુના આશીર્વાદ. Read and interpreted adequately by the great Gandhian scholar Dr. Varshaben Das of Rajiv Gandhi National Museum, New Delhi. I know Manjula very well. She won my heart as my daughter. If you are like her and not like her, then try to be like her and stay that way. Bapu's blessings. For additional context, Varshaben is the granddaughter of great Amrit Lal Bhai Shet and the daughter of Mohanlal Sopan. Both my uncles, Vaju Bhai and Moolshankar Bhai, and aunt Manjula, Maya, gave their whole life to Gandhian ideas and moments without seeking any office. They worked directly with the underserved individually. No one knew their work, but thousands benefited. Moolshankar, even in his college, wears a Gandhi topi and khadi clothes. His final years with his dedicated helper Kasam Bhai Vallabhai, Patel and Mahatma Gandhi on the right side. C. V. Raman Kasturba, Gandhi Ravishankar. Vyas Moraji Desai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. While Moolshankar N. Mehta was in Vankaner, a small town near Rajkot, he lived alone with some local help. He was totally stone deaf and getting old. He had one very reliable helper named Go A. One day, my uncle came in tears and explained that he had lost, or someone had taken, his family's inherited collection of thousands of historical coins and postcards. For his home in Vankaner, the most important was his personal communication postcard with Governor General Rajaji, Rajgopalchari. There could be hundreds of Rajaji's postcards, all addressed to Moolshankar Mehta, Vankaner. If anyone finds any postcards or documents addressed to Moolshankar N. Mehta, please send us a copy for our records. We do not want to blame or engage in any legal action.